Is your PC slow and laggy, even when you're not doing anything? Check your task manager. Is your CPU usage at 100%? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to reduce CPU usage and boost your PC performance. So watch to still end. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R and open Run. Type msconfig and hit Enter. Now go to the Startup tab and uncheck Load Startup Items. Next, go to the Services tab. Tick Hide All Microsoft Services. Then click Disable All. Now press Apply and OK. It will ask for a restart. Just restart your PC after completing all the steps. Now go to the search bar and type Background Apps. Open it, and here you'll see apps running in the background. Turn off all the unnecessary apps. But if you need any app, you can keep it enabled. This will reduce CPU usage in the background. Now, to open Task Manager, just right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click on Task Manager. Once it opens, go to the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of apps that automatically start when your PC turns on. Some of these apps are not really needed, and they can slow down your system. So what you need to do is click on any unnecessary app and click Disable. But be careful, don't disable important system apps. Disabling these startup apps will make your PC boot faster and also reduce CPU usage in the background. Now go to Windows Update Delivery Optimization and turn it off. This prevents background updates using your CPU. This will make your PC faster and reduce CPU usage. Now search, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it, then go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, select Programs. Then go back to Visual Effects and set it like this. This will improve performance and reduce CPU usage. Now, this next step is very important, so don't skip this part. First, go to the search bar and type Services, then Open. Now you'll see a long list of services running in the background. First, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right-click on it, go to Properties. Now click Stop, and then set the startup type to Disable. Click Apply, and then OK. Now we're going to do the same thing for a few more services. Next, find Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Right-click, go to Properties, click Stop, and set it to Disable. Then Apply, and OK.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always
Next one is System. Find it, right-click, Properties, stop the service, and set it to Disable.
for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
After that, look for Windows Error Reporting Service. Do the same steps. Stop, then Disable. Apply, OK. And finally, find Windows Search. Right-click, Properties, stop it, and set it to Disable. These services run in the background, and disabling them can reduce CPU usage and improve performance. Finally, go to the search bar and type Power Plant, and open it. Now select High Performance, or if available, choose Ultimate Performance. This will give your PC maximum performance. And that's it. Your CPU usage should now be much lower and your PC much faster. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more PC tips.